Hello students, I hope you are doing great. Today we will be learning about tree command in MS-DOS. Let's take this hypothetical example. There is a directory called courses, and in that courses directory there exist three subdirectories, namely management, law and vocational. And in these individual subdirectories there exist files. For example, in management subdirectory there exists BBA file and MBA file. In law subdirectory, there exists LLB file and LLM file, and in vocational subdirectory, there exists jewelry designing, fashion designing, and interior designing files respectively. So, in order to prepare this tree in MS-DOS, you should remember various commands to create a directory, MD, to change to a directory, CD, to create a file using the copycon command, to see the content of the file using the type command, and to prepare this tree in DOS using a tree command. So let's begin with the execution part of this. For that you need to shift to DOS prompt screen. For that, click on the start button, type CMD. The moment you will type CMD, a pop-up screen will appear like this. This is the screen. So first I need to begin with creating the directory called courses. I'm working in this C drive here. To create a directory, the syntax for the same is MD. MD courses. Enter. Now I want to change myself to this MD courses to this courses directory so that I can work on creating further subdirectories. To change the directory, CD is the command. CD courses. Enter. Now you can see the difference. Earlier I was working with the C drive. Now I am working with the courses directory in the C drive. In the courses directory, I need to create another subdirectory by the name management. So MD management. Okay. And in the same way, MD law and MD vocational. So now I have created three subdirectories in the main directory courses. Three subdirectories, namely management, law, and vocational. Now in management, since I need to create files, for that purpose, I need to change myself from the courses directory to the management subdirectory. And the command for the same is cd management. Enter. Now you can see the difference. I'm working in this management subdirectory which exists in the courses directory in the C drive. Here I need to create two files, BBA and MBA. For that purpose, I will be using copycon command. COPYCON copycon BBA. Student can do BBA after 10 plus 2. This is the random data I am entering, and in order to save the content, I need to press Ctrl Z and enter. My file has been copied. Now in order to create another file by the name MBA in the management subdirectory, again copycon command, MBA, enter. Student can do MBA after graduation. Again, in order to save the content, Ctrl Z and enter. This file has been copied in the management subdirectory. Now I need to go back to which directory? I need to go back to C drive initially. Then I'll change my directory to courses, and then from courses I'll go to subdirectory law in order to create two files, namely LLB and LLM in law subdirectory. So the command for the same is cd law. Here exists. Now I'm working in this law subdirectory. Here I'll be creating two files again using copycon command. Copycon LLB, again student can do LLB after 10 plus 2 or graduation. Control Z and enter. This is a random data I am entering. You can enter anything as per your wish. Going ahead with creating another file, copying on LLM. I am not writing any content here, so I'm just pressing Control Z. Just pressing Control Z here. Enter. So no content has been written in LLM file, but the file has been created. Now again coming back to the C drive, CD backslash to come back. Then I need to change myself to the courses directory, CD courses, and from CD courses I need to shift to vocational drive in order to create 3 files in the vocational drive, namely interior designing, fashion designing, and jewelry designing. So let's begin with it. CD courses, now CD vocational. CD, now I am working in the vocational subdirectory. Here I will be working on creating file, copy on interior designing, enter, Control Z and enter, copy on fashion designing, enter, Control Z and enter, then copy on jewelry designing. Remember, there should be no space in between designing and interior, fashion and designing, and jewelry and designing. Enter, Control Z to save my content. Now, execution of the tree command, which is more important. Go back to your basic C drive again. Here I want to see the tree of which directory? Tree of courses directory. See, I have just entered tree command, TREE and courses. It will give me the subdirectories which exist in courses main directory, that is law, management, vocational. What if I want to see the files as well? Can we see files here? Law exists 2 files, LLM and LLB. Management includes 2 files again, BBA and MBA. Vocational includes 3 files, interior, fashion and jewelry. For that purpose, I will be using a switch tree/F. For which directory? For the courses directory. Enter. Now you can see the difference. Folder, well, it's there in the drive C with its volume serial number. Courses is my major directory. In courses, I have 3 subdirectories starting with law, management and vocational. In law, there exist 2 files, LLB and LLM. In management, there exist 2 files, BBA and MBA. And in vocational, there exist 3 files, fashion designing, interior designing and jewelry designing. I hope this tree command and the switch that we have used to see the files in the subdirectories as well is also clear to you. The switch for the same is /F here. Along with tree command, I have mentioned /F in order to view the files in my subdirectories. I hope tree command is clear to you. Thank you, good luck and goodbye.